In this video, we are going to discuss Unit 2, Water. Water in the human body. Kidney contains 83% of water. Limb contains 94% of water. Joint contains 83% of water. Lung contains 80% of water. Muscle contains 75% of water. Bone contains 22% of water. Blood contains 83% of water. Skin contains 64% of water. Liver contains 68% of water. Brain contains 75% of water and heart contains 79% of water. Where and how water is found on the earth? Water is available in nature in three forms. They are solid, liquid, and vapor. Solid form of water. Example, ice. It is present in icebergs and ice caps on top of tall mountains, glaciers, and polar regions. Liquid form of water. Example, water. It is present in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, and even underground. Gaseous form of water. Example, vapor. It is present in the air around us. Composition of water. Water is a transparent, tasteless, odourless, and nearly colourless chemical substance. It is composed of two atoms of hydrogen combined with one atom of oxygen. The molecular formula of water is H2O. The amount of salt in water is termed as salinity. Based on its salinity, water is classified into three main categories such as freshwater, brackish water, and seawater. Freshwater contains 0.05% to 1% of salt. Brackish water contains up to 3% of salt. Seawater contains more than 3% of salt. The salts include sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, and calcium chloride. Ocean water is composed of many substances. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius at normal pressure. Every year, March 22nd is observed as the World Water Day. Conservation of water. There is no change in the total quantity of water available on the earth. It remains the same. But the water useful for plants, animals, and man is decreasing day by day. It is called scarcity of water. The main reasons for water scarcity are population explosion, uneven distribution of rainfall, decline of groundwater table, pollution of water, careless use of water. Methods of water conservation. Mainly, two methods can be followed for the conservation of water. They are water management and rainwater harvesting. Water management factors. Bringing awareness about the bad effects of throwing waste into the water bodies. Recycling of water by separating pollutants. Minimizing the use of chemical fertilizers in agriculture. It reduces the pollution of underground water. Controlling deforestation. Adopting drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation in agriculture. By this way, lesser amount of water can be used for the irrigation. Rainwater harvesting. Direct collection and use of rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. There are two types of rainwater harvesting. Collecting water from where it falls. Example, collecting water from the rooftops of the houses or buildings. Rooftop water harvesting. Collecting flowing rainwater. Example, collecting rainwater by constructing ponds with bund. Now we are going to discuss some of the important questions and answers. First one, what are the three forms of water? Water is available in solid, liquid, and vapor forms. Which places have fresh water? Ponds, pools, rivers, tube wells have fresh water. What is scarcity of water? Water useful for plants, animals, and man is decreasing day by day. It is called scarcity of water. What is rainwater harvesting? Direct collection and use of rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. What are the reasons for scarcity of water? Population explosion, uneven distribution of rainfall, decline of groundwater table, pollution of water, careless use of water. What is meant by conservation of water? Saving water for the future generations by using water carefully and in a limited way is conservation of water. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.